High ping in Minecraft can lead to lag and a frustrating gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you lower your ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as this can significantly reduce latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities. Step 3. Change server location. Choose a Minecraft server that is geographically closer to your location. The closer the server, the lower the ping you will experience. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjust your Minecraft settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings, reducing render distance, and disabling fancy graphics can help improve your connection stability. Step 5. Use a VPN. Consider using a VPN service that offers optimized gaming servers. This can sometimes improve your connection speed and reduce ping by providing a more direct route to the game server. By following these steps, you should be able to lower your ping and enjoy a smoother Minecraft experience. Happy gaming!